Hi beautiful people, what's up? It's been a minute. Welcome to Awuor Channel. This is a channel where I vlog about simple hacks that you can try at home, simple recipes, and anything that is of interest when it comes to traveling and all that. And for the return subscribers, asanteni sana. It's because of you that we keep on coming and uploading videos, so I don't take that for granted. If you're yet to subscribe, please do. You're missing a lot. Hit the notification bell so that you're notified anytime I upload a video, and share, like, comment, and yeah, let's really make use of the comment section, and let's talk. What I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna try and fit that in this video. So from cooking all the way to cleaning, and I have a surprise for you people. It's a hack that I know most people would really want to try, so watch this video until the end so that you get to find out what the surprise is. It's a surprise hack that has really been working for me, so welcome on board. Let's begin. So today, guys, we'll be doing quite a number of stuffs, and thought we'd start with the first. Now today I'm trying to make chapatis. Jaribu kupika chapati. This is just flour. It's a kg of the flour. As for the ingredients that I'm going to use making the chapatis, this is just normal chapati, simple chapati. So this is salt. We're going to use salt. I know people make chapatis with sugar, but I tend to lean towards, I've made both. I tend to lean towards chapati that has salt, and if I have to put sugar, it has to be very little. But for today, for this specific chapati, I'm just going to use salt, the flour, and of course some warm water. So let's do this. So this is our warm water. I've already warmed it. It's not hot but warm. And then of course what am I missing? Some cooking oil. Well, when I make chapatis, I normally use cowboy. But if cowboy is not there, I normally use the available oil that I have, or the available cooking oil that I have. So for today, I'm just gonna do the dough and then make my chapatis with the cowboy, which I'm gonna show you a while later. So as I said, I'm gonna be using cowboy, and I'm not doing any promotion. I just normally use cowboy. So let's start. And as we do that, tell me how you normally cook your chapatis. I normally do mine just as simple as what I just told you a while ago. So salt, just gonna add that to the warm water. Remember, this is warm water, it's warm, not hot. So just add enough. I wouldn't want to tell you a tablespoon, a teaspoon. Just make sure it's enough salt that you're comfortable with when you are having chapati. For people who normally cook chapatis with sugar, you can mix the both. You can make salt and sugar. Yeah, but you just have to ensure that the proportions are just right. So first things first, before we do the dough, we have to wash our hands and make sure that our hands are clean. And here we go. So guys, how do you normally make your chapatis? I would really want to know how you make your chapatis. Basically, I just do the simple way. Man, let's talk in the comment section. Do you normally do chapatis? Have you done chapatis? If you're a guy, have you tried cooking chapatis? If so, how did it turn out? And did you like it? So Still kneading the dough. Do this until the dough is well kneaded. So guys, those of us who stay in Naivasha, how do you manage dust? Because regardless of where you stay, dust never just goes away in Naivasha. Sometimes I have to, like, clean on the utensils even if they are unused and still clean because of the dust. So how do you manage dust? Because it's something you cannot avoid, especially when you stay in Naivasha. Keeps on piling and piling and piling, and if you want to know, there's a lot of dust in your probably in your place or something. No matter how clean you are, just check every day, probably after work, just try and touch your surfaces. Pretty much dusty, even when you have all your windows closed. So how do you people manage dust? And are you the type who normally just cleans probably the entire utensils on a Sunday, just as a measure of dealing with dust? I mean, I really want to know what you guys do. So let's talk on the comment section. Let me know how you manage dust. Even for people who don't live in Naivasha and in the areas in this country where you just can't avoid dust. So let's talk. So like I told you guys, today we're preparing, you simply need the dough for chapati. Now I'm just gonna cook today some gizzard, and I've done a video of a recipe on gizzard. If you not watched, kindly watch the video, and if you cooked or if you tried using my recipe or my way of cooking, let me know how it turned out. Well, so today I'm doing the gizzard. I'm also gonna do some they call cereals, yeah, some cereals. I love them. I hear it's called Western Dengu, so I'm also gonna be doing that, and the chapatis. So it's a whole lot of everything and all that put together. So that's what we're gonna do today. So I won't really show you step by step the process of cooking gizzard, because we already have that. I've already done a video on that. So maybe I can probably take you through the steps, how I prepare the Western dengu, the dengu that I'm gonna prepare together with the gizzard. Yeah, so let me know if you're probably interested in doing another recipe on gizzard but on a different way or method of cooking. Let me know if that makes sense. Other than that, please go, if you're yet to watch that video, go back to our page. The video is there, and thank you for those who have watched, those who have given it comments, those who have added the views. Asanteni sana. So yes, it's our Sunday, let me just say, this Sunday, how we're gonna flow with things. That's what we're going to do today. So we need the dough. I have the gizzards prepared. I'm just gonna let that settle and boil for quite a while, for a few minutes before I can do it. And then I'm gonna go to the cereals and also just prepare the same. Remember, as for the cereal, the Western dengu, it's already boiled. So what's remaining is just frying them up and just making them ready for eating or for taking. Again, back to our dengu. I'm just getting our dengu ready. So as I said, I probably not take you step to step on this video of how to just prepare normal dengu or the name of cereals for that matter. But I thought I'd just show you, walk you over through the ingredients quickly. Tomatoes, as always, our chopped onion. This is ginger and garlic, and of course salt. This was already boiled, it was actually frozen, so that is what we're gonna be cooking our dengu, frozen dengu. It has already been defrosted. So yeah, so guys, that is the western dengu I was talking about. I hear that's how it's called. I don't know how it's called in EU language or something like that, but it's I know it by the western dengu. So this is a type of a cereal that doesn't really have doesn't really give acidity for those who probably have acidity problem. It's very good, and you can eat it with anything. You can eat it with rice, you can do it with chapatis. In our case today, we'll just have that and our gizzard, which is yet to be prepared with the chapatis. So guys, we're going to our chapatis. I have started a little bit to do something else, but now I'm to finish up the cooking so that probably show you the surprise hack I was telling you guys at the beginning of the video. So yeah, so I'm just trying to cook the chapatis, and then we can move to the surprise hack that I was telling you guys about. So I'll show you how the chapatis will turn out in a bit. So guys, our chapatis are done. Our chapatis are done. So we're gonna have this chapatis, and you remember the dengus we did, and the gizzard I was telling you about. We're gonna make gizzard, which I've done a recipe on that in the previous videos. There's a hack that I think can really benefit you because it's been benefiting me. Now, let's suppose you have a mirror in the house. It could be in most houses you find that there's either a mirror, the sink that is from the washrooms, or other than that you might also find out that there's a mirror installed in the bedroom. So when you stay in a place, for instance in Naivasha, we have hard water. So most of the time, no matter how clean you clean the mirror, no matter how clean you always do it on a daily basis, you still find out like that these stains of there are like some drips of the water on the mirror that really doesn't really look well. So I've got a solution for you on the same. So this is what you do. You're gonna do it practically. Come with me. This behind me here is our mirror, which we're gonna practically do it together with you people today. What you do is, see what I have on my hand? This is vinegar. So once you have cleaned your mirror, like mine has been cleaned, so to ensure that I don't see the stain, so sort of like a place that is not well rinsed, you wipe here, you sprinkle the vinegar on the glass, and then you wipe with a dry towel. Again, you sprinkle the vinegar here behind you in the glass. Sorry about the reflection. And then you wipe with a towel. It could be a dry towel, something that doesn't leave particles on the lid. So this has really worked well, because once you do that, there will not be those particles, especially for people who stay in areas where there's hard water. So this is what we're gonna do. So I have sprinkled vinegar on the mirror, and then I'm just gonna wipe with my towel. Could be any towel, so long as it works for you well. So this ensures that the mirror stays very clean and can literally not see any drop of any stain of water. So once again, clean your mirror just the normal way, and then once you cleaned it and it has sort of like dried, sprinkle vinegar. Yes, sprinkle vinegar onto the mirror and then just clean it up with a dry towel. Wow, my mirror is very, very, very much clear. No stain, no drop of water, and it's just perfect. So try guys that out, and I hope it works for you. So guys, basically that has been my Sunday mid-morning all through to late afternoon. Now all I've got left is cleaning the kitchen and cleaning the surfaces, cleaning the work area and all that. So thank you so much for watching till the end. For those who are yet to subscribe, please just don't watch but also subscribe. And if you have subscribed, kindly hit onto the notification bell so that anytime or every time I upload a video, you're alerted. Don't forget to like, comment, and share with friends. And let's grow this channel and let's also learn together. If you have any idea of what kind of dish you'd want us to try together, just drop it on the comment section. Let's talk on the comment section. And once again, thank you for your support so far. I'll definitely see you in the next video. Thank you, and bye for now.